Alright, so what y'all think about this new Quando Rondo video? I got it right here so y'all can hear it. Y'all just comment what y'all think down below and make sure y'all subscribe to my channel for real.
No, we did. Look, sometimes the best response is none at all. You probably would've left your last, that ain't 100 dog. So nowadays it's like the fans doing the police job. Y'all talk that gangster shit, but cry when the nigga get locked. Supposed to walk and have your shit, I still ain't got my point across. If the shoe was on the other foot, they wouldn't have said it wrong. Fuck what they say, that's understood, we had to make it home. I put that on the neighborhood before they bust my dome. Tell me right, black little brother on the ground, gon' pick your mans up. Downright, you screaming self-defense, should've never put his hands on. That's all the evidence. See the pussy nigga shut right for. Who the fuck said that I was hiding? I'm still right round with the bag. And set the record straight. I ain't never had no short side. The A-man on my head, that's what they say. That's all you got, bitch, make it A. Come wanna bone me, bite the back. 30 clip on me, jump out, shake. That shit is shame. I'ma live this way until they put me in my grave. We be on some B shit. We be on some walk out with that Glock out on some G shit. I been with them youngest, really mark out on that free shit. We be on some block, I blow they block off, hit they street shit. We be on some fucking hit, mama. Pussy wants none at all. You probably would've left your last, that ain't 100 dog. So nowadays it's like the fans doing the police job. Y'all talk that gangsta.
Alright, so y'all heard it right there. If y'all want to hear the rest of it, y'all can go look at it or whatever. But just let me know, like I said, and subscribe down below.